Hello everyone, my name is Kritakorn Boss number 1.
My name is Rovitwong Kai, number 13.
We are from Mathematics Engineering major.
Yeah.
And today we are going to do this one. What is called?
Shooter.
That is a shooter that made from popsicle stick and chopstick. Okay, so next we're gonna tell you about the tool or equipment that we used for make this shooter. So first one is the popsicle sticks. You can use the normal popsicle stick like this, or you can use the colorful popsicle stick. So in this case we use rainbow popsicle stick. So it have purple, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Next is chopstick.
We use three piece.
Next is tape. So in this case we use the paper tape. You can use any type of tape, but in case we use this one. And next is two of rubber band.
Yeah.
And next is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Is it the cube or someone know as straw? Okay.
And next
is
a glass.
kind of important too.
I think important.
Yeah. And next is the glue gun. So in this case we use hot glue, but I think it's a tendon from equipment that we use. So next thing we're gonna watch how to do this shooter or step by step. So let's go. Okay, first we're gonna do base. First step, put tape on one popsicle stick. So this is popsicle stick. And then put on another popsicle stick together. So you can see that this tape is a little bit small. So if you want to make sure that it is stuck together, you must put another tape and put it on here. And next step, we're gonna put it again, like repeat like the same. So next step, we're gonna using the same taping tape. Okay, so next step, we're gonna attach them to be the triangle. So we're gonna bend it together and then we're gonna tape it. So again, if you have small piece of tape, you must tape it again. Yeah. Okay, so when we finish in this first triangle, we're gonna do it again the same thing like this for 2 pieces. So we're gonna have 3 pieces and to make the base. Okay, so
we made it
already.
Yeah,
so we have 3 now and we are going to next step now. So the next step, we're gonna tape the triangle joints on both sides like this. Okay, we're gonna tape it on the joint here like that. Okay, and we're gonna lift up and form the pyramid. Lift up like that and form the pyramid. So this project, I think if you want to do, you must have 2 persons.
You do with your buddy.
Yeah, buddy or your dad or your parents is okay.
And do it
again
in another side.
Other side. Okay, so we forget about the another side. We must stick it together with tape again. So we finished for the base, and next is the shooting arms.
Okay. Now we started shooting arm with
3 chopsticks in order here, and we're gonna tape it together like that. So we're gonna tape it in head and in the end of the chopsticks. Okay, so we have the
shooting arm,
but incomplete. So next step, we're gonna use the popsicle stick. So we're gonna put it here like that.
Middle.
Okay, when we finish this, we're gonna put the cut tube that I have. In this case, we use only 2. Okay, then we finish this, we put inside now. So next step, we're gonna tape it around here. Okay, and this is finished for the shooting arms. And next is the important thing too. First step is we're gonna bend the tube and place it on either side of the triangle. In this step, we're gonna bend the cube first and we're gonna tape it here. If you want more security of this cube, so we need the hot glue. Okay, we wait for them to dry now, and next step, we're gonna put the rubber band in shooting arms. Then-
Because it is small, you can do like this.
Okay.
You tie it together like this and put
okay,
it
here.
on the shooting arm.
Okay,
Pull around the base
Yeah.
and put it back in the shooting arm.
And this is the last step.
important step.
Okay, so we're gonna place the gas and tape it. And that is finished for the shooter, so you can see that. Oh, this camera. You can see that this is the base that's so colorful, and this is the shooting arm. We have the blue popsicle stick here, and the rubber band, and the glass here. So we're gonna test it, and 3, 2, 1.
Shooting.
That is so great. This is finished for clip that we made for you at Jamiden. So
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I'm Kiragon boss number 1.
And Roy Wong, guy number 30.
We are from mathematics engineering major. So thank you for watching until here, and see you later. Bye.
Bye.